Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping for an SUV right now, whether it's for family hauls, daily commutes, or weekend adventures, you need to watch this full video. Today, we're exposing the 5 worst SUVs that look good on paper but will haunt you with repairs, breakdowns, and frustration, versus the 5 best SUVs built to last 200,000 plus miles with almost zero drama. These are real-world picks based on owner complaints, reliability data, repair costs, and long-term ownership reports. No fluff, every single detail so you catch everything and make the smartest buy possible. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right now. We drop no BS car advice every week that saves you thousands. Let's dive in. First, the cars you should think twice about or flat out avoid if reliability is your top priority. Starting with number 5. Number 5, the Nissan Rogue. This compact crossover is everywhere because it's affordable and has decent space, but long-term, big red flags. The big issue? That continuously variable transmission, CVT, has a nasty history of slipping, jerking, and failing. Even in recent models, owners report shuddering under acceleration. The newer 1.5-liter turbo 3-cylinder engine, it's facing recalls for throttle body problems and oil issues that can lead to stalling. Infotainment screens freeze, backup cameras glitch, and the whole system needs constant resets. Owners are reporting these problems right out of the box, some within the first few thousand miles. Repair costs can hit $4,000 to $5,000 for a transmission alone. It's not terrible for short commutes if you baby it, but for anyone wanting peace of mind over 100,000 miles, skip it. Would you risk it? Drop a comment below. Rogue or no? Number 4, Jeep Compass. Jeep makes fun off-roaders, but the Compass is one of their least reliable. Owners report jerky transmissions, rough shifting, hesitation, and even complete failures at low mileage. The engine can burn excessive oil, and electrical gremlins, random warning lights, sensor failures, and infotainment glitches are super common. Jeep as a brand sits near the bottom of reliability rankings year after year. Parts can be expensive and hard to get quickly. It feels capable at first, but after 50 to 70,000 miles, many owners are in and out of the shop constantly. If you want something fun for light trails but need it to be a reliable daily driver, look elsewhere. Number 3, Chevrolet Blazer. It looks sharp and drives engaging, but reliability is only average at best, and that's being generous. Common complaints are rough shifting transmissions, solenoid issues, electrical problems, and even overheating engines. The infotainment system and shift to park errors drive owners crazy. Some 2024 to 2025 models have already needed multiple transmission repairs in under 18 months. It's fun to drive, but the long-term ownership costs and frustration make it one to avoid if you want set-it-and-forget-it reliability. Number 2, GMC Acadia. After its big redesign, Consumer Reports dropped its recommended status because predicted reliability tanked. Owners are seeing recurring transmission problems, brake issues, electrical accessory failures, and in-car electronics glitches. The turbo engine can sound raspy and noisy under load, and parts availability has been a headache. It's spacious and comfortable until something breaks. Multiple owners report brake sensor failures and oil pump issues destroying engines early. If you want premium feel without premium headaches, this isn't it. And the number 1 worst on our list, Volkswagen Tiguan. The new generation looks modern, but software nightmares are everywhere. False emergency braking on clear roads, random engine warning lights, adaptive cruise control disconnecting, and infotainment glitches plague owners. Some report PCV/oil separator failures leading to $7,000 plus repairs. Higher maintenance costs, finicky electronics, and parts delays make this one a long-term headache despite the nice drive. Great on paper, frustrating in reality. Alright, you survived the warning list. Now for the good stuff, the 5 best SUVs that deliver bulletproof reliability, comfort, and value. These are the ones you'll still love at 200,000 miles. Best number 5, Toyota Highlander. This three-row family hauler is a reliability legend. Consistent top marks from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. Owners report almost zero major issues even after years. The hybrid version gets excellent MPG, the ride is quiet and comfortable, and safety features are class-leading. Spacious enough for real family life, low ownership costs, and Toyota's legendary resale value. Perfect daily driver that just works. Number 4. Lexus RX 350. Luxury without the luxury headaches. Built on Toyota DNA, so reliability is off the charts. Super quiet, plush ride, excellent build quality, and strong resale. Owners rave about comfort on long trips and how trouble-free it stays. Whether gas or hybrid, it feels premium every mile. If you want upscale without constant repairs, this is it. Number 3. Kia Teluride. This thing dominates awards for a reason. Top initial quality scores, spacious 3 rows that actually fit adults, smooth V6 power, and an incredible warranty. Reliability is excellent. Owners hit 90K plus miles with zero major issues. Unbeatable value, upscale interior, and it drives like a much more expensive SUV. Best family hauler in its class, period. Number 2. Subaru Crosstrek. Standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, reliable boxer engines, and excellent safety. Owners love the longevity. Many cross 150K miles with basic maintenance. Great ground clearance for light off-road, fun to drive, and surprisingly efficient. If you need all-wheel drive capability without big SUV size or cost, the Crosstrek is rock solid. And the number 1 best SUV, Toyota 4Runner, the king of reliability and capability. Even the all-new 2025 model uses a turbo powertrain already proven reliable in other Toyotas. Legendary durability, insane off-road ability, and it holds value better than almost anything. Owners keep them for decades. Built like a tank, refined enough for daily driving, and it just refuses to quit. If you want one SUV that does everything forever, this is the one. There you have it, the 5 worst SUVs that could cost you thousands in repairs versus the 5 best that will keep you smiling for years. Which one surprised you the most? Are you Team Toyota or considering something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you avoid a bad buy or find your next SUV, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone car shopping right now. Links to full reviews and more comparisons are in the description. Thanks for watching the entire video. You're the reason we make these deep dives. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe. Subscribe for more car truth. Comment worst or best for you. Like and share if this saved you money.